Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM21. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that the blades on your TM21 have become stuck and aren't blending properly, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to food debris getting lodged between the blades and the housing, or even due to wear and tear over time. If left unresolved, this can lead to further damage and affect the overall performance of your Thermomix, making it less efficient in the kitchen. To tackle this problem, you'll need a few tools, a small screwdriver, pliers, a soft cloth for cleaning, and possibly a replacement blade set if the current blades are beyond repair. Start by ensuring your Thermomix is unplugged for safety. Next, using your small screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located at the base of the mixing bowl. Be gentle when taking off the lid, as you don't want to damage any surrounding components. Once the lid is off, you'll be able to see the blades. The issue typically lies here, where food particles can become trapped. To extract the blades, gently pull them out, taking care to note how they are positioned. If they're not coming out easily, use your pliers for a better grip, but apply just enough pressure to avoid bending them. At this point, inspect the blades for any visible damage or debris. If they seem worn, now is the time to replace them with a new set. When placing the new blades back in, ensure they are correctly aligned with the housing. Replace the screws securely, but don't over-tighten them as this may cause damage. Before closing everything up, give it a quick wipe down with your soft cloth to remove any leftover bits. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've reassembled the Thermomix, plug it back in and run a quick test to ensure the blades are spinning freely and blending as they should. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to clean the blades thoroughly after each use, paying special attention to any food particles that may get stuck. Additionally, avoid overloading the mixing bowl, as this can strain the blades and lead to future problems. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.